Hi everyone, welcome, and today I want to show you something different, that is how you can make your resume to look better using the Adobe Express. So Adobe Express can help you to make a very nice and visually appealing and effective resume that can help you. So what you do, you just come to Adobe Express, then you see the heading, you browse the templates. The templates have got headings like Instagram post, story, video, presentation, resume, and a flyer. So our focus today is on the resume. When we click here, we have different templates. They are very nice. As you can see, you can scroll. There are very many templates here that you can use to make your resume. So depending on your choice, or depending on what you like, or depending on what you want, you just go with one. For me, we'll go with the first ones that I like. So I'll go with the third one, this one here. So as you can see, there is a place here for a picture. If you like, you can delete this and replace. You can replace it with a picture of your own. Let's say that let me upload a picture of my own. Let me see where there are pictures. So let me say that I want to upload this. So that's my picture here. You see, I am able to do what? To upload my picture. And I don't like this yellow thing, so I'll just delete it and my picture will just be there. So I have the option to do what? To replace Linda with my name. Of course, I'm now Shem. Good. So I have to make it, I have to take it up, and because it's too big, I have to reduce the size. It's still big. I reduce the size again. Sorry. Yeah, so I am not a copywriter. I can write whichever the job. Let's say that I'm just a teacher. I'm a teacher. I can change my social media accounts. I can change my phone number, address, skills. You know, I have like different skills now. I have skills where very many skills using the Adobe. So I can change this. My work experience, I can also do that. The awards. And I'm just advising you that one of the awards that you need to indicate here that you can get easily without paying for anything are the tutorials that are offered by the Adobe. If you go to Adobe Creative Cloud, there are tutorials there, and some of them, when you just go through them, the lessons, and you do the assignments on your own, you can earn a badge. So one of those things that one of the awards you can include here is that particular badge. Very important, the education history and all that. So if you feel like you need to add something else, maybe the referees, the references are not there, so what you'll do is that you'll have to squeeze these ones up, you'll have to squeeze them up, or you'll have to delete a few things so that you get space to put whatever you want to put, because this is just an example. As you can read, and they are very small, you can as well increase the font. So let's say that I want to increase the font for this. I feel like it's too small. You know, I want something that can be read by someone without having to strain too much. You know, so this is what I do. This is what I do. At least this one here, you can now read it without straining, but you'll strain reading this. And you know, a resume should not be having should not be too wordy. So uh, this template here is good, and you can use it to make your own resume. Thank you for watching this.